The DETDLIB telescoping magnetic pickup toolset is a 5-piece kit designed to assist in retrieving small metal objects from hard-to-reach places. The set includes various magnetic pickup tools, inspection mirrors with LED lights, and a telescoping flashlight, all housed in a compact pouch for easy portability. It is marketed as a versatile toolkit suitable for household maintenance, automotive repairs, industrial cleaning, and even outdoor activities such as camping. The tools are made from military-grade aluminum alloy, which contributes to their lightweight nature. Users have found this set to be a practical gift option, especially for men who frequently work with small metal parts or in environments where items can easily fall into narrow or deep spaces. The inclusion of LED lights on some tools enhances visibility in dark or confined areas, which is a notable advantage over simpler magnetic pickup tools without illumination. The flashlight has a 360-degree rotatable and telescopic function, while other tools can adjust their lengths, making it easier to access difficult spots. Performance-wise, the magnetic strength varies among the tools. The 1-pound pickup tool and the telescoping magnetic tool with flashlight both demonstrate the ability to pick up keys, tape measures, and small metal objects reliably, although they struggle with heavier items or lifting objects off surfaces. The tool labeled with a 15-pound magnetic capacity does not meet this claim in practical use. It can hold lighter objects, but fails to lift anything approaching its stated capacity. This discrepancy suggests that while the magnets are strong enough for everyday small metal items, they are not suitable for heavy lifting. The inspection mirrors included in the set provide adequate reflection quality. The round mirror extends to about 25.5 inches and offers a fairly crisp reflection, though the tool feels somewhat flimsy due to its lightweight construction. The square mirror with LED light is more functional, with a reasonably bright light and a clear reflection, extending up to 30 inches. The ability to bend the mirror attachment slightly allows users to peek around corners, which adds to its utility. One of the telescoping magnetic tools features a flexible section near the flashlight head, which improves maneuverability in tight spaces. This flexibility, combined with the LED lighting, makes it a useful tool for automotive or household repairs, where precision and lighting are essential. Despite these strengths, the overall build quality of the set is a concern. The lightweight aluminum alloy construction, while beneficial for portability, results in a flimsy feel that may affect durability, especially when the tools are used as rigid extensions. The magnetic rods and bodies are not magnetic themselves, which contributes to the lightweight but also to a perception of fragility. Users have expressed doubts about the longevity of the tools under frequent or heavy use. Battery inclusion is a positive aspect, with LR44 batteries provided for the LED lights. However, there have been instances where the light on the 15-pound magnetic pickup tool was non-functional out of the box, likely due to a removed battery shield. The flashlight and square mirror lights generally work well, providing sufficient illumination for their size. In terms of usability, the tools are simple to operate. The magnetic pickup tools have a straightforward design, and the telescoping mechanisms extend to lengths between 22 and 31 inches, allowing users to reach into narrow gaps, deep holes, and high places. The pocket clips and carrying pouch add convenience for transport and storage. This set is best suited for those who frequently need to retrieve small metal objects dropped in confined spaces or for light maintenance tasks. It is particularly helpful for people with limited dexterity, such as those with arthritis, as the magnetic feature reduces the need for fine motor skills when picking up tiny screws or bolts. The set is also an appealing gift option, especially as a stocking stuffer or for occasions like birthdays and anniversaries. It caters well to hobbyists, tradespeople, and DIY enthusiasts who appreciate having a variety of tools in one compact kit. Overall, the DETDLIB telescoping magnetic pickup tool set offers a combination of useful features like LED lighting, telescoping reach, and magnetic pickup in a lightweight package. However, the trade-off is a somewhat flimsy build and magnets that do not fully meet their advertised strength claims. For casual use and light tasks, this set performs adequately and provides good value. For heavy-duty or professional applications, users may want to consider more robust alternatives. If you have experience with this tool set, your review in the comments would be valuable to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in purchasing or learning more about this magnetic pickup tool set.